Hello everyone, welcome back to our lecture series on ISO 11607. Today we will be discussing the regulatory framework underpinning ISO 11607. Understanding this framework is crucial for compliance and ensuring that medical device packaging meets international standards for sterility and safety. Introduction to Regulatory Framework. ISO 11607 provides a structured and harmonized approach to the packaging of terminally sterilized medical devices. The standard is internationally recognized and serves as a benchmark for regulatory compliance across various jurisdictions. It encompasses both the design and validation of packaging systems to ensure that medical devices remain sterile until they are used by healthcare professionals. Key regulatory components: scope and applicability. The regulatory framework of ISO 11607 applies to all entities involved in the packaging of terminally sterilized medical devices. This includes manufacturers, suppliers, and healthcare providers. The standard outlines the requirements for sterile barrier systems, packaging materials, and the validation of packaging processes. Compliance with ISO 11607. Compliance with ISO 11607 is essential for manufacturers to meet the regulatory requirements set by health authorities around the world. The standard is harmonized with other international regulations such as the European Medical Device Regulations and the United States Food and Drug Administration requirements. This harmonization facilitates global trade and ensures a consistent approach to medical device packaging. Integration with quality management systems. ISO 11607 is designed to be integrated with quality management systems such as ISO 13485. This integration ensures that the packaging processes are part of the overall quality management system, which is essential for maintaining compliance and ensuring product quality. The standard emphasizes the importance of process control, documentation, and continuous improvement. Validation requirements. One of the core aspects of ISO 11607 is the validation of packaging processes. This includes process validation, ensuring that the forming, sealing, and assembly processes consistently produce packaging that meets the required performance standards. Performance testing. Conducting tests to verify that the packaging materials and systems maintain sterility and integrity under specified conditions. Ongoing monitoring. Implementing procedures to continuously monitor and control the packaging processes to ensure consistent compliance with the standard. Documentation and record keeping. Proper documentation and record keeping are critical components of the regulatory framework. ISO 11607 requires detailed documentation of the design, validation, and manufacturing processes. This documentation provides evidence of compliance and is essential for regulatory audits and inspections. Records must include test results, validation reports, and any deviations or corrective actions taken. Global regulatory landscape. ISO 11607 is widely recognized and accepted by regulatory authorities worldwide. Its adoption helps streamline regulatory submissions and approvals in multiple markets. Understanding the regulatory landscape and how ISO 11607 fits into it is crucial for manufacturers aiming to distribute their products globally. European Union. In the European Union, compliance with ISO 11607 is essential for meeting the requirements of the medical device regulation. The MDR mandates that medical devices, including their packaging, comply with harmonized standards to ensure safety and performance. United States. In the United States, the FDA recognizes ISO 11607 as a consensus standard. Compliance with this standard helps manufacturers demonstrate that their packaging systems meet the regulatory requirements for sterility and safety. Many other countries and regions also recognize ISO 11607 either directly or through their regulatory frameworks. This widespread acceptance underscores the importance of adhering to the standard for global market access. In conclusion, understanding the regulatory framework of ISO 11607 is crucial for ensuring compliance and maintaining the sterility and safety of medical device packaging. This standard provides a comprehensive approach to the design, validation, and documentation of packaging systems, harmonized with international regulatory requirements. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.